ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन् ऋलक्
प्रलक्
एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञमाङणनम् जभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमाङणनानां नासिका च एधैतोघो कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोघो कण्ठोष्ठम् कंठोष्टम What's Sandhi?
This is a Otvoshtayoho Samaseva.
Yes. Otvoshtayogo Samaseva. That is Vartikam. Vartikam for the sutra.
This is the Vartika for the Supra Engi Pararupam.
Engi Pararupam. Okay. Vakarasya dantoshtam.
Vakarasya dantoshtam.
Dantoshtam.
But the choice is there, right? Samase va, optionally. If it is not kantoshtam, it would be
Kantaushtam.
vriddhi adeshaha.
Vriddhi.
Right? Vriddhi will come. A plus O, vriddhi reichi. Kantoshtam. Samase vikalpena pararupadeshaha. Vikalpatvad vriddhi bhavati. Hope you can follow. In the samasa context, optionally pararupa. If pararupa doesn't happen, then vriddhi, choice. Choice is there. Then jakhva muli yasya jakhva mulyam.
Jihvamulyasya jihvamulyam.
Nasikānusvārasya.
Nasika anusvarasya.
Yes. Then. Do you know this by heart? I think I sent you this one. Can memorize this. It's a prayer, good prayer. There are so many prayers like this. This is one on drama. This is also on drama. Same way. Ramaha, Ramam, Ram, Ramena, Ramaya, all the same first case. This is also same way. Another prayer. And this is on Krishna. Krishnaha, Krishnam, Krishnena, Krishnaya, Krishna, Krishnasya, Krishne. And this is Mata. Mata, Mataram, Matra, Matre, Matuhu, Matuhu, Matari, He Mataha. And this is Vriksha. So many other. This is Veera. Veera, Veeram, Veerena, Veeraya, Veerat, Veeraya, Veere, E Veera. So like that. And Guru. Guru Deva Gatihi. Gurum Eva Bhaje. Guru Neiva Sahasmi. Namo Gurave. Na Guroho Paramam. Shayurasmi Guroho. Patirastu Guru. Mamapahi. E Guru. Guru. So many other. So at least Rama we can memorize. It's a good one prayer. Okay. Let us chant. Maybe one we can chant every class different, so that after some time it's gets to your memory automatically. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo
Rajamani
Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Bhaje.
Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuh. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena
Bihata Nishachara Chamuh. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti
Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Bho Rama Muddhara.
Rame
Chittaya Sada Bhavatu Me. Bho Rama Mamuddhara.
And the 10 rules, did you try memorizing?
I start. Yes.
Okay, very good. We can just chant once. Samhitayam.
Sahitayam.
Checha.
Checha.
Ang Mangoscha.
Angmangoscha.
Dirghat.
Dirghat.
Padantadva.
Padantadva.
Iko Janachi.
Iko Yanachi.
Va Echo Yava Yavaha.
Echo Yava Yava.
Vanto Yi Pratyaye.
Vanto Pratyaya.
Dhatustasmin nimittasyaiva.
Dhatustasmin nitasyeva.
Yes. Sutrani. We'll chant from Samhitaya because we can see some new sutras. Samhitayam
Samhitaya
Samhitayam
Iko Yanachi
Iko Yanachi
Yanachim
Yata Sankhyavanudesha Samanam
Yatha
Yatha Sankhyaman Desha Samanam
Yecho Yava Yavaha
Echo Yava Yavaha
Yavaha
Kanto Hi Pratyaye
Vanto
Toi
Yipratye
Pratyaye
Ekaf Purva Parayogo
Ekah
Ekah Purya
Purvaparayoho
Pranyoho
Akasavarne Dirghaha
Agasavarne
Tasarvane
Dirghaha
Dirgaha
Adgunaha
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 Vridhirechi
Vidhirechi
Vridhirechi
Engaf Padanta Dati
Enah Padanta
Padanta Dati
Lopashakalya
Yopasakalyasya
Nopashakalyasya
Atascha
Atascha
Natascha
Upasarga Dhriti Datau
Upasarga
Upasarga
Dhatau
Dhritidhatau
Vasupya Pishalehe
Vasupya Visalehe
Supipyavakshane
Yengi Pararupam
Eni Pararupam
Pararupam
Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam.
Sakandvadishu
Dishu Pararupam
Pararupam
Vacham.
The Shakandvadi important because they are important in the sense, the important word Patanjali. The word is Patanjali Yoga Sutram. Patanjali is Mahabhashyakara, right? The one who wrote Bhashyam to the Sutra, Ashtadhyayi, Sutrapata. So how the word Patanjali comes? Patat plus Anjali. So there this happens. It is in Shakandvadikana. Therefore that Vartikam is important and the Gana is important. In the PDF what you sent, not all the Ganas are present. Okay.
Okay.
In the PDF what I sent, all the Ganas are present.
Okay. Okay.
Some of the Gana are open-ended. Akriti Ganaha, we say in Sanskrit. It means we can add words. It is allowed. We can add words. We can add words means the language allows. If it doesn't fit under any other sandhi, then it can be considered as belonging to Shakandvadi. So that's called Akriti Gana, open-ended. The Gana having a list of words, I told that doesn't restrict only those words. It also accepts other words. If any word you come across and the sandhi cannot be resolved by any other sandhi, then we can consider that to be belonging to Shakandvadi. Because the word Asha Prayoga, suppose I'm just saying, Vyasacharya or other great authors, they use some, and the sandhi cannot be resolved by any other rule, then we can say it is Asha Prayoga, or we can say considered to be belonging to this Gana. So it's called Akriti Gana. Okay, open-ended. Some groups are closed. It means it has got certain number of words. Some groups are open. We can accommodate more words. As a language grows, there may be a need to accommodate more words, right? So that's why it is kept open. Therefore, in the PDF what you sent, not all the Ganas are present. In my PDF, if you will see, all the Ganas are present. More than 200 Ganas are there. But in the PDF what you sent, not more than 180 or something. Maybe less than that.
Okay, okay.
So that is why I sent and mark Shakandwadi, Akriti Graha it is. Fine.
But one question. This Shakanda,
Shakandwadi.
Shakandu, Shakandu, these
Mm.
words like Patanjali and this.
Mm.
When you form the word, then this how do you say, Pararupam occurs. Because if we, for example, we want to, let's say, make one samasa shakandu plus other word, any word, then
Mm.
we don't use this vartika, meaning only in the formation of the word, the vartika is used. When this word we will use with other word, this vartika will not use, only the regular sandhi.
No. Shaka plus Andu, if it is these two words combine and Shakandu comes, then this Vartika is important, right? It's a
Okay,
samasa, it's a compound.
it's a compound, correct.
It's a
But
compound. So two words come together, and what's Sandhi? It's a compound. It's a compound, and two words come together. Shaka plus Andu, and no rules prevails. Prevents from making into a Dirgha Sandhi. This rule comes and say no Pararupam. That's why there's a need for this Vakyam. Shaka plus Andu, Shakandu, not Savarna Dirgha. For that only.
okay, so it's only to explain how these words are formed.
Yes, explain. Yes, that's why. Explain how this word come. How
Okay.
this, otherwise, there cannot be this word. And Shakandu is there in the language.
Understood.
Chakandu, Kakandu. Some of the words are there in the Veda. So you have to accommodate those words. So that is given in the form of a Vartika. Okay. Therefore, this Vartika says this group, and this group doesn't contain all the words. It is open. Those words whose sandhi cannot happen by, cannot be cannot be done by the general rules. It has to be done by the Pararupam. Then we can accommodate those words in this group. That's why it's an open group. You can add more words to it. If you find, it can be added. So if you see some of the text, even Vedanta text, and the grammatical, when they deal with the text grammatically, they may say Chakandwadi. I read somewhere also. The word, even the word Patanjali also. I was reading one Vibhakti Vilasa. Yeah, text on Vibhakti. There, the author, the word Patanjali comes, and the commentator mentions Shakandvadishu Patanjalihi iti rupam. He says the word Patanjali, it has come. The word is formed by the Shakandvadi. The word belongs to Shakandvadi Gana. And the Sandhi, it says Patat plus Anjali, Patanjali. That's undergone Pararupam. Iti is mentioned, referring to this Vartika. So, therefore, suppose the words are there in Raghuvamsha or Ramayana. Those words, normal Sandhi cannot apply, and Pararupam applies. Then how do you explain? Chakandvadi, we can say. This could have happened by Chakandvadi. Okay.
Understood.
That is why this group is kept open. Some group are closed. We cannot add. This is open.
Understood.
Next one. Otvoshta yogo samaseva.
Uddushtayoh samaseva.
See, this Ganapata is for certain words. There are list of words. If you write even sutra for that, the sutra will not be 4,000. It has to be 40,000. You read a big book to accommodate all the words of the Veda. So it's an intelligent way to, 80% of the formation of words is covered by Sutra Pata, and just for 20% you make a separate list and put it under the group. It's over, simple. You refer to the group, and the words in the group undergoes similar operation. It's intelligent way of putting, right? Otherwise, what will happen? It will be 40,000 sutras if you write Sutra Pata. There's a very intelligent way of just making like this. Another intelligent way of thing is, without telling the sutra, how the word is formed, Panini Maharshi uses a word itself. Because he uses a word, that word is a valid word. That's a pramanam. What is a pramanam? Pramanam is Panini Maharishi has used. That is a pramanam. Because he has used in Sutra Pata. And that cannot be derived by the application of the Sutra. Such words are called Nipata. Ready-made words. Called ready-made words. You cannot derive it by applying the Sutra. Like Ritvik. You know Ritvik? What is Ritvik? Since you are doing Yoma, we're going to do. You know, must be knowing Ritvik. Ritvik means what? Vedic Pandits, Purohit, Ritvik. Ritvik. Chakarantaha, Pullingaha, Ritvich, Shabdaha. In Shabdamanjari, I would have studied. You have not studied? Jalamuch, Ritvich, Vandij.
Maybe yes.
Maybe. No, you must. Not maybe, okay.
Because these exceptions, right?
No, this is not exception. The Shabda is there in Shabdamanjari. You must have studied, but you don't know this is Nipata. See, I'll show you. You have Shabdamanjari, right? I think this is a book you commonly refer. I hope you refer this, Shabdamanjari.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Correct.
So, you go to the Halanta Pullinga Shabda. In the beginning itself. First is Marut. After Marut, sorry. First is Jalamuch, Chakaranta Shabda. Yeah, Alanta Pullinga. Where is Alanta Pullinga? Yeah, here it is. First is Pullinga, Strilinga. First is Ajanta, and then comes. Yeah, Chakarantaha, Pullingaha, Jalamuch. This you know, right?
Yes.
Do you know the declension? Jalamuch, Jalamucho, Jalamuchaha. Do you know the Shabda? By heart?
Not by heart.
Later we will derive it. So one Shabda at least you can know it. Even if you, need not memorize. In fact, you can derive it. It's simple. You could be able to do it. Once you know it, then you can do mentally calculation and then you can say the Shabda. Possible. We'll come to that stage later. Now here, one is Shabda is there. Chakarantaha, Pullingaha, one is Shabdaha. And here the word Ritvij is Evam, Bishaj, Hutabuj, Ritvij. You see the word Ritvij? Ritvij is Jakaranta Shabda.
Yes.
This word is Nipata. You cannot derive it by the application of the Sutta. Whereas Hutabuj and all decline, you can derive it. Bishaj is also derivable. But Ritvij is not derivable. Some of the words, these words are derivable. Maybe derivable by some pratyaya, some the dhatu plus pratyaya possible, or unadi pratyaya, some pratyayas. Ritvej is a ready-made word. There's a sutram in which Panini Maharishi uses the word Ritvej. Because he uses, therefore, it is, that word is valid. Ritvej. For example, I'll show you where the word occurs. The Sutra Pata itself, 3 to 59, third chapter. Please see the third chapter, second section, 59th Sutra. This discussion is not important, just making you see that there are some words which are ready-made.
Yes. I found here.
3 to 50. 59. Ritvik, Dadrik, Srak, Dik, Ushnik, Anchu, Yuji, Runchancha. These words are not derivable by application of any sutra. These are ready-made words. Because Panini Maharishi has used, this is a valid word. Ritvik means the one who does the Oma. Oma Yaga, it's called priest, Vedic Pandits, Vedic priest. It's called Ritvik. In English, you would have see RITVIKS, Ritiks. That's what Ritik. They are the people who perform the yajna on behalf of the Yajamana. The four Pandits will be there representing four Veda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, Atharva Veda. You will see always four Pandits will be there representing each Veda, and there will be the Yajamana. On behalf of the Yajamana, they will be performing the ritual. They are called Ritiks. So Ritik here. Okay.
Excuse me.
Nice.
Yeah.
If this word does not cannot be derived,
Yeah.
it means that there is no dhatu related with it.
No, Panini Maharishi doesn't want to write a separate sutram for that. He has to write 2 or 3 sutram for this. In order to save it, he doesn't write. He just uses the word. But we can derive, assuming this is how it would happen. That we can do. Always we can do. But cannot be derived by the application of the sutras. I will show you when we discuss that. Okay, such words are called the ready-made words. Fine. So what I'm saying is this Ganapata, the ready-made words, these are some of the intelligent way of, the presenting the language. I mean, the Sutra Pata, the language in the form of Sutra Pata. You need not spend so much time on deriving that word. Just put it under the common group. It's over. 80% of them, the words of the language covered by the Sutra. Only 20% is left out. Why do you need to spend, why do you write a Sutra for each word in Sutra? So it will be, the Sutras will be, as I said, 40,000, unnecessary. So that is also Alpaksharam, Alpaksharatvam. All the way it is Alpaksharas. Okay, next Sutra. Yetyedatyutsu.
Etyedatyut tasu.
First you have to not pronounce it. Yetyedatyutsu.
Etyedatyut.
See, yetyedatyutsu.
Etyedatyutsu.
Again.
Etyedatyutsu.
It's not difficult, the words, at least two, the Kriya Padams are there. Eti, Edhati. Eti plus Edhati. Sandhi. What Sandhi? Eti plus Edhati.
Yan Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi. Therefore, Etyedat. That Utsu. Ut. So, Etyedat Utsu. Okay. Now, this is the sutra we are going to see.
It's two Yan Sandhi here. Eti.
Edhati Utsu. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, 2 Yen Sandhi. Right only.
Okay.
Eti plus Edhati 1 Yen Sandhi. Edhati plus Utsu. Ut. That is Edatyutsu. Another Yen Sandhi.
Correct.
Okay. Now this is a sutra we are going to see. But before that, I had to explain certain things in this. This Eti is a Kriyapadam. Eti is a Kriyapadam. Like a Patati, Kadati, Gachati. Similarly, Eti. Similarly, Edhati. These are Kriyapadam.
Okay.
Now, this I'll not explain much on this. This is not the time also. Only I will say this much. Please see the screen. I'll type and delete that. See, Pat Dhatu, for example, I'm just giving. Pat is first gana. Pat plus T. Right? When you do Pat Dhatu, first gana, there is a specific Gana Vikarana. A will come. I told you, I think before, right? Pat plus A plus T. Therefore, you get Patati.
Yes.
Suppose another Dhatu, Siddha. This is fourth Gana. Siddha plus T. fourth conjugation. Siddh plus. Here the Gana Vikarana is ya, not a. Depending on the group, the respective pratyas will come. Siddhyati. Similarly, another sixth group, Tud plus T. Here also it is Tud plus A plus T. This A is different from this first group A, not same. Why it is not same? That we will see later with the ith letters. I'm not considering the ith letter. It is Shap. Oh, you know Shap, you can say Shap is the Gana Vikarana. Pakara is it, Shakara is also it. Pakara is it by Halantyam it, you know it, right?
Correct.
Shakara is by Lashakadadite. Therefore, content is okay. I thought I have not taught you. You know it, all the Prakarana. I taught you.
Yes,
So you must
yes.
be knowing. Similarly, this Gana Vikarana is Shan. So I can comfortably use Shan. Shan is a Gana Vikarana. Nakara is Halantyam it. Shakara is Lashakadadite. Therefore, content is, yeah. Here content is and here it is Gana Vikarana is Sha. All these things we will discuss in detail later. Here Shakara. Shakara is ith letter. Lashakadadite. Therefore, content is A. Therefore, Tud plus A plus T, we get Tudati. Right?
Correct.
Similarly, there is a Dhatu in Gatau. Here Nakara is ith letter. Okay. In the Dhatu, Nakara is ith letter. Therefore, E. E plus T. This Dhatu belongs to second conjugation. Second conjugation, what will happen? Shap will come and the Shap will disappear. Will come and it will go away. Okay.
Okay.
So, therefore, it will be like this. E plus step. Okay. Now, what will happen? This is a pratyaya. Because of this pratyaya, the E will be replaced by a guna letter. What is a guna letter? Corresponding guna letter for Ikara.
A.
What is the guna letter?
A.
A. Therefore, E will be replaced by A plus T, A-T. This is how you get A-T. A-T is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. A-T means goes. In is Gatau. Gachati ityataha. Same meaning.
Yes.
A-T. Gachati. Okay. So, it will be, therefore, form will be like this. A-T. Then Itaha Yanti. This is Pratama Purusha. This is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. I'm just writing the Latlakar, I mean present tense. Like Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Yeti, Itaha, Yanti. Don't touch how it comes. Then I have to teach you the Tinganta now. That is out of that is other topic now. Okay. I just want you to see Eti is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. That is there in the very sutra itself. And Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam is Yeshi. Yeshi, Itaha, Itha. Then Yemi, Ivaha, Imaha. Now, we are not interested in this. We are not interested in this. This says, the sutra, Eti is there. Eti stands for, please listen carefully. Eti stands for the Dhatu, in Dhatu, whose form beginning with the letter A. Whose form beginning with the letter A. Why I say that? Because you see the Anuvritti now. Eti edati utsu. Eti edati utsu. This is Saptavi Vibhakti. I mean, this 7-1. Eti 7-3. Okay, not 7-1, 7-3. Eti edati utsu. And see the Anuvritti. At is coming as Anuvritti from Ad Gunaha. Then Echi, Virdihi, Samhitayam, Pura Parayogo. So Pura Parayogo is always is there. So Purva Parayogo Sthane, what will be the Adesha? Vriddhi is the Adesha,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
What is the Purva letter? Purva letter is Ad,
Ad.
Avarna. Coming as Anuvarti from Adgunaha, right? Please remember the Sutra number. Yeah, Sutra number is what? 6189. Immediately after Vriddhi Rechi, right? 6188 is Vriddhi Rechi. 6189 is this Sutra. Therefore,
But this is
what
not
happens?
7-1.
Vriddhi
This is
happens.
5-1. 5-1. Ad.
Ad is 5-1 only. Yes, 5-1. Why?
Okay. No, because 7-1 is
7-1. No. Ad is 5-1.
written in the word.
Okay, I will correct it. Now, this is comes under Vriddhi Sandhi. So, Vriddhi is what is going to happen. Eti, Edati, Utsu. Please note. So, what are the Anuvrittis? Ad is Anuvritti. Vriddhi is Anuvritti. And
H.
Echi, okay, Echi can bring it. We will see what it is. Then Eti, Edati, Utsu. That is also Saptami Bhakti. Bhagavachanam first. Okay. Ad is typo. Ad is 7-1. Sorry, 5-1. Avarnath. Avarnantat. So Avarna followed by Eti. Eti means Eti refers to the Dhatu in Dhatu. In Gatau, second Gana Dhatu. Similarly, Edati refers to the Dhatu Ed Dhatu. Okay. Utsu, leave it. Utsu, we are not interested now. We will see that later. Utsu is not required now. That later context will come. That time you will see Utsu. That you can drop it.
It's not Dhatu.
It's not Dhatu. Ut is a type of a Agama. The type that we will see later, not required now. Just only two Dhatus. This is form of Dhatu. So Yeti represents in Dhatu, second group. Edati refers to the Dhatu, Ed Dhatu, first group, first conjugation. So now Echi is Saptami and Edati is there. It means the form of the in Dhatu, the form of the Ed Dhatu, beginning with H letter. Beginning with H letter means what? This is Eti, Yeshi, Yemi. This is what is possible. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam for this Dhatu, in Dhatu. Similarly, for Ed Dhatu, it has to be Edati, then Edasi, then Edhami. Of course, here you can do all. Edati, Edataha, Edanti, Edasi, Edataha.
This is not Idataha?
No, this is first group.
Okay, this is first group. Okay.
Not like that. That's why this is in this is second conjugation. Therefore, only in Prathama Purusha of all the Vachanam, you will have the letter A. In other Purusha, other Vachanam, you will not have the letter A. So the form of the in Dhatu beginning with the H letter, only these three forms. That is Ekavachanam of all the Purusha, Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Whereas Edati, Edataha, Edanti, Edasi, Edataha, Edata, Edhami, Edavaha, Edamaha. Right? Understand? You see all the forms. They are all beginning with what letter? H letter. A.
Correct.
Which is there coming as Anuvritti. Understand?
This is only talking in the Lang Lakara?
No, anything.
Anything.
Form of anything. I just gave a lat form. Okay. Any. But anyone. Okay. But only in lat lakara you will see. Of course, but because in other lakara, what will happen for this? Other lakara also you can take. Lang lakara, etc. also you can take. Yes.
Okay.
Edati and lang lakara. Just default I take lat lakara. Okay. Form. Now, you see, Avarnath Avarnat, following the Avarna, Akara, Rakara, Ejadyoho, Ejadi, that is beginning with the H letter, Ejadyoho, Eti Edati Uti Cha Pare, Vriddhihi Ekadeshaha Bhavati. Bhavati or Syat, both are same, okay. Don't worry about that. Syat or Bhavati. That is, in the context of Sangita, Sandhi, Avarnath, when Avarna is followed by Ejadyoho Eti Edati, H letter of the Indhatu. The Indhatu, only in the Sutra, is presented as Eti. And or Edadatu in the Sutra presented as Edati. Or the word Ut, which we are not interested, I told. Now, what will happen? Both of them are replaced by a single Vriddhi letter. You see the example, it will become more clear. See the example. Upa plus Eti. Upa plus Eti. Upa, Upasarga, prefix, ending with what letter?
Avarna.
Followed by what?
A.
Followed by the form of the Indhatu beginning with H letter, right?
Correct.
Eti. So Upa plus Eti. Generally, what will happen? A plus A. Generally, what will happen?
Here is a Vriddhi.
Generally, what will happen? That's why you see the sequence of sutra, how I teach. Generally, what will happen? You have the list of sutra. It means something you have seen already before.
But
What is that?
Not the Vriddhi will happen, not the Vriddhi Rechi.
Generally, what will happen? Again, I come back to the same. Okay. Generally, Vriddhi Sandhi will happen, right? Very good. Generally, Vriddhi Sandhi. But that Vriddhi Sandhi is negated by Pararupam. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
And the Pararupam again is negated by this sutra back to Vriddhi. Generally, Vriddhi, that is negated by Pararupam, and the Pararupam is negated, therefore back to square one, Vriddhi. That is the connection. Now, see the Sutra Pata. See, I will make it small here to show you. You see the Sutra Pata here. Yengi Pararupam still. Generally, what will happen is this Vriddhi Rechi will apply. But this is negated by Yengi Pararupam. Now that Yengi Pararupam is also negated for very specifically for these two dhats. Yeti Edati, back to square. It comes like that.
Understood.
That is why I want you to remember Yengi Pararupam, because that is the immediate sutra in the list what we have seen. So Yengi Pararupam says, what does it say? Avarnanta Tupasargat Yengi Pare. When the following word begins with the Yeng, Yeng means Ye-O. Ye-O is a part of H. H-E. So when that follows, Yengi Pararupam, Pararupam supposed to apply, but that is dismissed and Vriddhi is applied for Eti, Edati. Only for these two dhatu. For other dhatus, what will happen? Pararupam will apply. Apavada to apavada is general rule. Enemy to enemy is friend. Okay, that's it. That's how it operates. That's why I asked. The immediate preceding rule, what we saw is Yengi Pararupam. You see the list of sutra. The list of sutra, what we saw, the immediate. That is why I put like this. 6192, 94 and all I taught first. And after that, I'm doing 6189. Why? Because 6194 is Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. And now Apavada to Yengi Pararupam is Vriddhi Sandhi. That's a connection. Okay. So here Eti Edati Eti Edati are the words beginning with the Yeng letter. You can say Yeng. Some Pararupam supposed to apply. No, that doesn't apply. What will apply is here, because this is a form of the Indhatu, therefore Vriddhi will apply. Upaiti. You have to say Upaiti. Understand?
Yes.
So one interesting thing is there.
So so it
yeah.
will so the final result will be upayati.
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
The final result is Vriddhi. Okay. Just a minute. Three, one. Yeah. Final result is Vriddhi. Right? Upayati. Okay. Okay. It is in the Kaivalya Upanishad, online is there, that I will tell you that line when we see the next sutra, not here, next sutra, not for this one. So Upa plus Yeti is Upaiti. Upaiti also comes in the Upanishad. Some Upanishad I have seen. Upasametya is in Kaivalya. But okay, we'll see that later. Upa plus Yeti, Upaiti. Somewhere comes in Gita, somewhere, Upaiti. I forgot the Upanishad. Anyway. Okay, here for your reference, I have written the form of how the inda from inda to you get eti. In plus Pratama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya tip. Shab comes and Shab goes away. This is Gana Vikarana. Therefore, E plus T, E plus tip, E undergoes Guna. Therefore, eti you get. This is how eti comes. So, eti is a form of indatu. When that follows Yavarna, Pararupa will not apply. Only Vriddhi will happen. Similarly, Yedate, okay, sorry, Yedate is Atmanepadi Dhatu. I just took it as my mistake. Parasmepadi, Yedate. Yedate, Yedhete, Yedante. Okay, well, that's why I took it is I just took it from the Sutra. Sutra Yedati is there. Yedati, Yedate, Yedante. Then similarly, here, Yedase, Yedhete, Yedadve. Yedadve. Then here it is Yede, Yeda, Vahe, Yedhama.
Yes.
Yede, Yeda, Vahe, Yedhamahe. Okay. Then you may ask, oh, it is Atmanepadi, why in the Sutra it is Yedati? Why Yedati is there, right? Just split the Sutra, it is Yeti, Yedati, Utsu, right? Why
Yes.
here Yedati?
Yeah.
Is it, please note, this is not a Kriya Padam. This is not a Kriya Padam. This, I told you, this is a Nama Padam. This is a noun. Yeti is a noun. Don't confuse this eti with this eti. This eti Kriya Padam in the Sutra, what is eti is that is a noun. What you're confusing? No, it's not confusing, I tell you. But I'm thinking whether to tell you now or later. Anyway, I'll try to tell you that. Okay. Because otherwise something that will be always gnawing, eating your mind. So let me tell that. Certain things I don't want to tell now, but what to do? Otherwise, this will be always gnawing your mind.
Yeah. So this eti is not the
Sutra eti is not a Kriya Padam. It is a noun.
In the
Similarly,
Sutra, it's a noun. Yes, because he's using the word to refers to the Kriya Padam.
Yes, very good. That's what I want to say. He is using that word eti as a noun to refer to the dhatu.
Okay.
That is called dhatu nirdesha technically. Let me explain.
So,
yeah.
But if it is no, it's not. But if it is not a Kriya Padam, is it declined?
Yeah, declinable. Yes, exactly.
But which is the
You decline, it is declinable like what Shabda, you know?
Mhm.
It is declinable like Hari Shabda.
Yes.
Yetihi, yeti, yetayaha, yetim, yeti. But that declension is of no use for the language. But in the grammar, it is used to represent the dhatu in the sutra.
Mm.
That is called dhatu nirdesha. Now, see, you have studied Upanishad, right? Okay, it's because you're all Vedanta students, that's why I say. In the Mundaka Upanishad, Bhashyam, have you read Mundaka Upanishad? Bhashyakara said, you know how the word Upanishad comes?
Yes.
How the word comes? Bhashyakara tells in the Bhashyam, Upani Purvasya, Upani, I'm just writing the words of the Bhashyakara. Upani Purvasya, Sadehe Dhatoho, Krip Pratyantasya. Krip Pratyantasya. Iti Bhashyakara says how the word Upanishad is derived. That is, Upanishad is derived from the Dhatu Sadehe. Sadehe means Dhatu is, really speaking, original Dhatu is Shadl. Okay, this will be a little confusing because many things you don't know. Just to follow what I am saying. Original Dhatu in the Dhatu Pata is Shadl. Removing the ith letter and doing all the conversion, finally you get Sad. This is a Dhatu. This is the Dhatu, Sad Dhatu. From this Dhatu only, the word Upanishad is derived by adding the prefix Upa plus Ni plus Sad plus one Pratyaya is added, that is called Kvip Pratyaya. The content of this Kvip Pratyaya is zero suffix. Content is zero. All the letters are ith letter. All the letters are ith letter. Akara is ith letter, and E is also ith letter. Kakara is ith letter. Bakara is also ith letter. All are ith letter. Kakara, the Kvip letter. Kakara plus Ikara. These are the content. I mean, these are the letters of the Pratyaya. Kvip. It's called Kvip Pratyaya. All the letters are ith. Therefore, zero. Content is zero. Therefore, what you get is Upa, Ni, and the Sakara will undergo Shatvam, Murdanya Adesha. Therefore, Upanishad you get. Okay. Now this is a noun because of the addition of this pratyaya. This is addition of the pratyaya, dhatu plus krit pratyaya. Now the whole thing becomes a noun, and the noun is declinable. It is alanta shabda, Upanishad.
Correct.
The point here is what I want to say is in the Bhashyam, Bhashyakara says Sadehe Dhatoho Upani Purvasya means preceded by Upasarga, Ni Upasarga. Purvasya means before. Okay. Purvasya means before. Therefore, preceded by Upasarga, Ni Upasarga. Sadehe Dhatu. What is Sadehe? This is a Dhatu, Sad Dhatu. Of the Sad Dhatu, it is Shashti Bhakti or Panchami Bhakti. Sadehe Dhatoho Kvip Pratyantasya Sad Dhatu ending with Sadehe Dhatoho Kvip Pratyantasya Dhatu ending with Kvip the Sadehe Dhatoho Kvip Pratyaha Yojayitva Sat Dhatu taking Kvip Pratyaya preceded by Upani Upasarga, you get the word Upanishad, he says. Now here, Sadehe, how you get? Sadehe represents Sadhatu. Sadehe, in the Vakyam, in the line of the Bhashyam, Sadehe represents Sadhatu. How does it represent Sadhatu? Like here, Yeti represents Indhatu, Edati represents Edadatu. Similarly, Sadehe represents Sadhatu. That is, Sadhatu you take, and to this dhatu, you can add E, you can add ik, one pratyaya.
Oh, not the quick pratyaya?
Not Pipratyaya. We are not going to derive Upanishad. We are going to make a noun form of the dhatu so that I can use it in the language in different vibhaktis. Understand?
Correct.
So I am adding the pratyaya, ik pratyaya. Therefore, that will become sadi. Now, sadi like Hari Shabda.
Okay.
Hari,
Yes,
Hari,
because
Hareha, Sadi, Sadi, Sadeha. What is the Shashti Bhakti? Sadehe. That is what is here, Sadehe, of the
understand.
Sadhatu. But this Sadhatu to be used in language, like this Sadi. No, we don't use in the language. We don't use only Kriya Padam we use. Right?
Correct.
But this in the Sutra, or when we say the derivation of a word, we want to use the Dhatu. Therefore, we make it into a noun so that we can represent that dhatu, right? That is the idea.
Dhatu nirdesha.
Yeah, that is called dhatu nirdesha. I think more on that we will talk about later. This is just to give some idea because we don't know Tinganta. We are not saying Tinganta and all. Therefore, if I say something more, you won't be able to understand now. So, here, similarly here, the Sutra Eti represents in dhatu. Similarly, Edati represents Ed dhatu. Don't think Edati is T is there, it is Parasamipadi, and Edati is Atmanipadi. Not like that.
Okay.
Edati in the Sutra represents the dhatu, Ed dhatu. Okay. Then the form of the Ed dhatu or in dhatu beginning with that H letter, that when following the Avarnanta will undergo Vriddhi, not Pararupam. That is what the Sutra says. So therefore, in this example, Upa plus Edate, Upa ending with Avarna, followed by a form of Edadatu. In the Sutra, it is mentioned as Edati. So Edate is Atmanipadi Dhatu. Upa plus Edate, A plus A, supposed to happen Pararupam, that is negated. Apavada to Pararupam, Vriddhi will happen, therefore Upaidate. Understand?
Yes. Very nice.
So, I don't expect you to understand how the Upanishad and the Sadehe, just since you are familiar with the Upanishad, I told. You all studied Mundaka, right?
Yeah, we studied, but only the first chapter with the Bhashya. But only in this chapter will this Sadeha appears. I remember
If
this.
that is so, the first chapter in the beginning itself, Bhashyakara says.
Yeah, he explains the word Upanishad.
Not only here, in Kata Upanishad also, Bhashyakara explains the word, the Upanishad,
And
how the word Upanishad, the word comes.
Taittiriya also he explains.
Yes. So, let me read. Upanipurvasya Sadehe eva arthasmaranat. It is in Mundaka Upanishad. Nishatayati paramba brahma gamayati avidyadi samsara karanam cha atyantam avasadayati vinashayati iti Upanishad. And now the word Upanishad comes, Upanipurvasya Sadehe eva arthasmaranat. Sadehe is dhatu. That's called dhatu nirdesha. Dhatu, the technical
the
call.
dhatu in a namapada.
Yes.
So you can use it to
represent the dhatu. It's called dhatu nirdesha. So in the sutra, therefore, Eti represents in dhatu, Edati represents ed dhatu. And in dhatu is Parasmipadi, ed dhatu is Atmanipadi. Okay. That is why I was hesitant to teach this sutra. I thought you can skip this. Later, after Tinganta, I will come back, but I don't want to do it because I have explained so many things. Yes. But since you know already, you have studied some before, that's why I thought you would be able to understand this.
Correct. But I mean, meaning this, I understand this, it is a dhatu nirdesha, but also if he use edhate, also is dhatu nirdesha, meaning e or a.
No, the pratyaya should for dhatu nirdesha, you have to use a pratyaya ik, or you can use the pratyaya shtip.
Okay.
Shtip means T. Ik means content is E. Either E or T. Sad plus E becomes Sadi. Either you can use like this, or Sad plus T. T is first gana. Therefore, this will become Sidati. Okay, how Sidati comes, don't ask. Okay, you have to know the first group, what are the changes happen to the dhatu.
Understand.
Similarly, for this dhatu, for in plus t, in plus t is eti, dhatu nirdesha. In plus e, what will happen? E plus e. This will become guna. A plus e. A is replaced by I. You have to say I. I shabda will come. So if that is also possible. Any one you can use.
Okay, okay. So here he
But he
used
uses eti.
eti.
That's it. So these are the two pratyas. I'm just writing the content of the pratyaya. E can be added to dhatu. By that you get a noun, and that can be declined as in all the vibhaktis. So in the language you can use to represent the dhatu, either E or the pratyaya ti. Really the pratyaya is it, and here the pratyaya is shtip. Removing the it letter, you get ti, and here it is E. So this is ti is what is used in the here to the dhatu as a dhatu nirdesha. Eti, and therefore edati.
Okay, okay. So
Dhatu is Parasmepadi.
ed dhatu plus shitap.
Shtip. Ed dhatu plus shtip. Shtip is nothing but
Oh, shtip.
T only. So this will come ed plus a plus t. This a is first gana. Therefore shap will come. Gana vikrana will come. So therefore eda ti get. For in dhatu, in plus shtip, in
has to be
shap.
very sharp mind, because
Yes.
it can be confused with the Kriya Padam Ekavachanam Pratama Purusha.
In fact, when I did, I also took it like that by mistake. Even though I know it, but I forgot for the time being. I took edati, edataha, edanti.
Yes.
But ed is atmanepadi dhatu. How can be edati? Not possible. So that's called dhatu nirdesha. So you have to see this eti as dhatu nirdesha. Eti means in other words in dhatu. Edati means in other words ed dhatu. The form of ed dhatu and in dhatu beginning with h letters.
Because
so you have to see the form of the dhatu, lang lakara, lat lakara, lot lakara, whatever lakaras, whatever the tenses and moods, beginning with h letter, then and that follows avarna, then vriddhi will happen. That is what the sutra says.
right?
Because
otherwise the dhatus, they like meaning they are always in the, how do you say, avyakta form, is unmanifested in the language, the dhatu.
Meaning
with this pradhyaya you can use a dhatu to express.
Yes, you can use this the noun form of this dhatu, that's why to represent the dhatu, not as a kriya padam. That is only in the grammar it is used, not in the language.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. This also I tell you this. Gam dhatu. What is the form? Gachati, right?
Correct.
Gachati. Gachati means what? Goes. Now I want to have a noun to represent the gam dhatu. So what will happen? That gach plus shab plus, then I'm adding shtip. So you get gachati. So gachati is ikaranta shabda. So gachati, gachatayaha. Suppose if I say gachatehe means that is of the gach dhatu. Shashti vibhakti.
Understand.
It's the meaning. Okay. That's called dhatu nirdesha. Dhatu nirdesha means nirdesha, specifying, mentioning, pointing, indicating the dhatu through a noun. That usage is there only in the vyakaranam, not in the language. The language, if you say kriya padam only, gachati, eti, goes. But in the vyakaranam, where is the kriya padam? And we have this to represent the dhatu only, right?
Correct.
Okay. This is a small thing, not small thing, big thing. Even we can say that in Bhashya. Now,
this pradhyaya we will learn later. This
All
pratyayas.
this later. Yes, just this is only first round. Second round, when we study, come back to this later in some other context, it will become more clear. So upa plus edate. That's why I said, even if you don't understand what I said, doesn't matter. Just know eti represents in dhatu, edati represents ed dhatu. Ed dhatu is atmanepadi, in dhatu is parashvepadi. Therefore, the form of the in dhatu, ed dhatu, beginning with H letter follows avarnanta shabda, then pararupam will not apply, vriddhi will apply. That is what the sutra says. If you understand that, it is enough. So for upaidate, similarly, okay, this is two examples enough. Utsu, I told you, not required. Thank God I didn't start explaining utsu. Otherwise, it will go somewhere.
So, but
Now,
so you told us 3 agamas, but now more agamas.
not agama, more things will come. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one small thing I will say, and then I will stop. You please see the screen. Aksha plus Ugini. Aksha, you know this. Okay, first you let us see. Aksha plus Ugini. Don't see the answer. Okay.
Okay.
You see on the left hand side. Let not your eyes see on the right hand side of the Aksha plus Ugini. A plus U. What's Sandhi?
Guna. Guna Santi.
Guna
Guna
Sandhi.
Sandhi. But
Guna
actually, what happened?
Here is
Actually, what happened?
Here is Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
You know, have you heard the word Akshogini? Really?
No.
You have never heard Akshogini?
No. Is a form of Devi?
No, not form of Devi. Akshogini. You studied Gita, right?
Yes.
You studied Gita.
Yes.
Okay. Akshogini. The first, I mean, there's not in the shloka, but in the this thing would have studied, right? Akshogini is 1 unit of army. Pandavas have got 7 Akshoginis,
Yes.
and Kauravas had 11 Akshogini. 1 Akshogini means 1 Akshogini consists of 21,870 chariots, 21,870 elephants, 65,610 horses, and 1,09,350 infantry. This is called 1 Akshogini. Like that, 7 Akshoginis Pandavas had and 11 Akshoginis Kauravas had, right? The word is Akshogini. It is Akshogini. That is formed by Aksha plus Ugini. But Aksha plus Ugini, Akshogini only. How can be Akshogini? But Akshogini is there in the language. A plus U, Guna only happens. But in the word Akshogini, how is that? Therefore, there's a Vartikam. Therefore, there's a Vartika. Vartikakara says, you can see. Akshad Uginyam Upasankyanam, he says. That is, the word Aksha followed by Ugini will undergo Vriddhi, because Vriddhi coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. Akshad, Panchami Vibhakti. Uginyam, Saptami Vibhakti. Aksha, the word followed by Ugini, Pura Parayogostane, Vriddhi Adeshaka Bhavati. For one word, Pandya Maharshi did not write sutra. Therefore, Vartikakara says, no, you should have said this for this also. For this also, you have to write one sutra. But Pandya Maharshi did not write. That's Vartikakara mentions. You have missed this word. That's what Vartikakara does. Whatever the Sutrakara, the Vartikakara thinks the Sutrakara had missed, that Vartikakara mentions. So one word, one Vartika. So that is what here, Akshogini. And you can see in my notes here, Vartikam number 1. Aksha Shabdat, Ugini Shabde Pare. Very simple Sanskritam you can understand. Pare, Purva Parayostane, Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. When Aksha Shabda is followed by Ugini Shabda, both the preceding, that is A plus U, will be replaced by the Vriddhi letter, not a Guna letter. So Aksha plus Ugini, Akshogini, which is Guna Apavada. This word is Guna Apavada. One word, one Vartika. Similarly, the other words. Swa plus iraha. A plus E supposed to happen guna.
Swera,
But
yes.
what happened here? Vriddhi.
Right.
Swa plus iri. A plus E. Guna supposed to happen, but what had happened? Vriddhi. Swairi. Swa plus irini. A plus E. Supposed to be guna, but vriddhi has happened. I. Swairini. Pra plus uga. A plus U. Guna supposed to be, but au. Praugaha. Similarly, pra plus udaha. Praudaha, not prodaha. For all this, there are vartikams. You can see here. Prad, uga, uda, praga, praduho, dodye, shaisheshu. Very difficult to read, okay. Praduho, dodye, shaisheshu. That is pra. Okay, let us see I've written in my notes, you can see. Okay, but before that, this Vartika. Swat, iri, ira, iri, irinoho. Ira, irin. Okay, iran, ira, iri. When swa shabdat ira shabde or irin shabde, pura paryogo vriddhi adesha bhavati. Swa plus ira or swa plus irin. So what you get? A plus E, not guna, vriddhi will happen. Swairaha, swa plus iraha, swairaha, swa plus irin, swairin. Swa plus irini, swairini. All same. Irini is Strilinga Rupam, I think. Okay. Then here, pra is prat. Pra means pra upasargat. Here, uha, then uda, then udi, then some more words are there. Yesha, aishya. So yesha, yesha. Yesha shabda and yesha shabda. When any of these words follow pra upasarga, a plus, here it is u, here it is a, what happens is vriddhi happens. When pra upasarga is followed by uga shabda or uda shabda or udi shabda or yesha shabda or yesha shabda, both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by vriddhi letter. So pra plus u, a plus u supposed to become guna, but guna is negated, vriddhi happens because of this vartika. Okay, and a, pra plus a, what will happen? Supposed to be pararupam. Pararupam is negated and vriddhi happens. Understand? So
Yes.
both the guna and pararupam is dismissed for this combination. Vriddhi happens. So pra plus ugaha, very only for this word. Okay, that's a vartikam. Only for these words. Pra plus ugaha, praugaha. Gunasya pavadaha. Pra plus udaha, praudaha. Gunasya pavadaha. Pra plus udi, praudi. Pra plus esyaha, a plus a, engi pararupam supposed to apply, but it is negated, vriddhi happens by this vartika, praishaha. Similarly, pra plus yeshaha, praishaha. Okay, so this is a vartika. So two vartikams. First one is aksha plus ugini. Second one, pra upasarga plus this uga, uda, etc. These words. Right? I think you can stop. Other two vartikas are there. Simple only. I think time not there now. We'll stop here. So the point here you have to notice, vriddhi apavada is engi pararupam. Apavada to engi pararupam is back to vriddhi for these two words, in and edati. Indatu, edadatu, beginning with H letter. For that, engi pararupam should not be applied, vriddhi should be applied. And for some specific words, we have vartikam. Akshogini, the very famous word used in the Gita. Aksha plus ugini, not akshogini. In fact, when my teacher taught Sanskritam in Gurukulam, I asked this question in the beginning. Then my teacher told, shut up, this will come later, we'll see. This is what he said. Don't ask this question now. Because Vartikam is going to come later. So because we have heard Akshogini in the class, Akshogini, 7 Akshogini, 11 Akshogini, then Aksho. By saying this, I inferred. Aksha plus Ugini, supposed to be Akshogini. Why it is Akshogini? My teacher told me, wait, it will come. We'll see. I still remember.
Very nice.
Then the next one is praduha. Pra upasarga, all these words. Okay. Then ritecha tritiya samase, and another one that we will see. I think this is a last, not last. Okay, another one is also is there in the sandhi, at sandhi. After that, we will move on to the next topic, prakriti bhava, maybe in the next class.
Okay.
If you have any doubts, you can ask. Is it difficult to follow?
Not difficult to follow, but I think I will have to review the class. So
Of course.
pick up all these items we saw.
Yes. If I not review the last class before this, I can't follow. I always have to
see,
review.
always Sanskritam you have to follow. The maybe content is less, at least this much only the content, not even half of a A4 page. The content will be less. But the content you have to review, you have to understand that. Only that much we discuss. 1 hour, how much we can discuss. A lot of things I clarify and teach, and some extra information I give that may not be very relevant, but without that, I won't be able to make you understand. There will be some gap in your understanding. So I had to fill the understanding somehow to now. Later, it will be completely understood. Everything cannot be given first. Not possible.
Yes.
So that's why I try to avoid, but somehow society cannot avoid. So you need to know. Dhatu Nirdesha, in fact, if I had not taught you Dhatu Nirdesha, then I should not, I mean, the sutra could not have been taught. See, I have to discount the sutra from teaching now. I have to maybe to be discussed later after Dhatu Nirdesha and everything. So I don't have to wait to teach you Dhatu Nirdesha in some other context. This is the context. So let us learn them. And also you have studied Upanishad, Vashyam, at least that Vakyam of the Vashyakara, right?
Yes.
Yes. So Dhatu Nirdesha you can note, very important. Many places you will see in the Sutra. Okay. So that you have to understand. When the Sutra it comes, then you have to find out the Dhatu. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Sorry, before ending, did you see the files what I sent, the PDF files?
Yes.
Sandhi. I just want to say, whatever I taught you now, you have to take into consideration Apavada Utsarga. Please just don't think it is simple Sandhi. Not all Asavana Dirgha Sandhi or Vriddhi Sandhi Guna Sandhi. You have to consider the Apavada. Okay. Vowel Sandhi exercise 1 is simple. Exercise 2 is the Bu plus Oba. All these syllables are some nonsense syllables. Don't worry, but you have to do Sandhi. Yeah, you have to join. That is what. Oba, there is no word, such word at all. Even if you join, you will not get, there is no such word in the language at all. That's why I said nonsense syllables. Doesn't matter, but you have to do Sandhi. Okay. And 3. Here, whatever Sandhi. Apavada, if it is there, you have to note te plus ete. Take into consideration the Apavada. For example, I saw one here. What is that? That Avarnanta Upasarga followed by that something what we saw. Something comes. So you have to consider the Apavada. Okay, you just see, I saw somewhere, I don't know where it is. Just join. This is a good exercise actually, the Sandhi. Please do it. Okay. Okay, fine. Dhanyavadaha. Whenever you get time, do it. Not immediately. Okay. Yes.
Correct. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
You